Yo, check this out. Spring came to Poland finally. Yo, this is actually nice. Japanese cherry trees came to Poland, Poznań. Yo, what's up? How you doing, guys? From beautiful spring in Poland, Central Europe, basically. If you don't know, I used to live in Southeast Asia for over 10 years, basically in Bali. And today's video is about how is in Bali actually, because we, with my Balinese wife, we didn't been in Bali since last 2 years. And by the way, this is, yes, original Japanese cherry trees. So we have a cherry blossom, kind of like in Japan, but in Poznań, in Poland. Look how many people enjoying the Saturday afternoon. Beautiful weather, spring weather. Not so hot, not so cold. Just beautiful. And these cherry trees. Actually, they are genuine Japanese cherry trees from Japan. Here in Poznań, Citadel Park. Check this out. That's just dope. It's so beautiful. Woo. So many people coming to make a pictures, videos, social media, TikTok, Instagram, and so on. So lovely. Actually seems like a lot of people. I know it's maybe not as exotic and extraordinary like in Asia, Southeast Asia somewhere. Maybe it's not the city park in Bangkok where we used to live as well for half year, but it's actually nice. Considering as Poznań is 500,000 people living in the city, and the cherry trees looks really nice. Happy to see people going out actually. So cool. Oh, hugging here. And the birds squawking already. Squawking. This is the new word what I just created. Yeah. So yeah, let me know. Actually, particularly, I'm very curious how's the situation in Bali. If you been recently in Bali, let me know how it is in overall. But also how's the prices recently, because I heard they are changed quite a bit. Heard actually it's quite more expensive nowadays. Wonder how much is the beer on the beach. Wonder how much is coconut on the beach, either in Canggu, Sanur or Kuta, whatever. I wonder how much is the taxi going from the airport, let's say, to the famous destination, let's say Sanur particularly, and so on and so on. And you guys still coming to Bali like usual? Do you miss me, guys? Filming this kind of style vlogs in Bali every single day, 4 p.m. Bali time. I heard actually some of you missing that. We know, all of us, as the flights getting more expensive because of the conflicts and the rise prices of the petrol and so on and so on. But general, how is Bali right now? It's been over 2 years actually since we left Bali, both of us. For me, 3 months more. And just simply curious. Unfortunately, most likely will not come to Bali this year, but just curious how it is. By the way, I'm back to my old hairstyle. I don't know if you noticed. Wanted to have another attempt to have a long hair similar like when I was in Australia 2-3 years ago, but I'm gonna keep it that way. Suits me better. Also, I'm getting older, so I have a more gray hair now. Holy shit, that was actually 3 years when I was in Australia. Exactly at this time, around this time, maybe late 2023, it's 2026 already. Different perspective. It's nice little park. Basically, there were a lot of battles here in the past, in the history, but overall, yeah. Poland is full of history, like Central Europe generally. And for everybody who found this channel just right now, some people still discovering this channel. Even I'm filming recently casually. I used to film for over 1,000 days straight, every single day. Mostly from Bali, but also at this time travel in Southeast Asia, a lot of Singapore video, Malaysia, Thailand, Australia also been filming, and some other countries, Vietnam. So yeah, and also have a Bali weather, just in case if you're curious. Unfortunately, she's not with me on today's video, but overall. And in case if you ask me, especially those of you who watch me a lot since the beginning, do I gonna come back on the daily basis? I don't know. If I back to Asia, probably yes, because their content is just coming. You just go out of the house and the content is automatically creating. But here, even if I do, even I force myself, you guys most likely won't watch it. So I know it because the views dropped when I start doing it. So except those trees, also there is little pond here. During the winter people skiing sometimes. I mean the skate. Well, ski also from the little hills there actually. So not really mistake. Generally nice to see the spring coming. There will be another half year of nice weather. In Poland generally it's like that. Half year is the nice weather, Poland spring in Poland, summer. Atrium gold, atrium is also beautiful, and then there is winter, which is sometimes nice, sometimes not really. So here will be perfect if you do 50-50 hybrid. Half year here and half year perhaps. And so this Asia. So yeah, let me know how's the situation in Bali, how's the prices, do you still coming to Bali, and so on and so on. I'm very curious. Also, if you have any questions about us, channel and everything, feel free. I will make a dedicated video or answer in the comment section. Meantime, thanks so much for watching. I would like to say see you tomorrow, but see you next time. As always, see ya. Take care.